And how should somebody be documenting, like, for example, like, let's say that, how should somebody be documenting the expenses or the investments that they made in their primary residence? Let's say that they invest $100,000 into a kitchen. Is there a certain way that somebody should hold on to this, or what would you recommend in that situation?
I'd recommend usually the larger projects, you're hiring a contractor typically. Some of it you might do yourself, but either way, you should save your receipts, invoices, documents, credit card slips, whatever it happens to be, in case you were to get audited and the IRS would want you to prove your basis in that property. You would need to show you purchased escrow when you bought it, and then plus the cost that you put into the property to improve it. So it's always a good thing to hang on to those. Just create a folder, put them away. Step thing, odds are you'll probably never need it, but when you do need it, you're going to want it.
And then it's probably more likely, like, for example, like that you would need it if you didn't live in the property for 2 out of the last 5 years, or if it's pretty close on the gain. Like, for example, if you bought the property like back in the 90s or something like that, and obviously the property has appreciated in value, then that's when, I mean, if they only have a $200,000 gain, then there's probably not any need for those receipts, right?
There's less of a risk. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to file any of these receipts when you file your tax return. You just report the sale. If you were happen to be audited, you would have to prove this. So yeah, so if you have a larger gain or you're right on that $500,000 limitation, your odds are probably a little higher of being audited than if you only showing a $100,000 gain or a $200,000 gain, where you've got so much cushion still in that exclusion. Your odds of being audited are probably a little smaller.